Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is April 30th, 2025, and we're diving into Meta's first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Meta has reported some impressive numbers this quarter. Can you give us a brief overview?
Absolutely. Meta has had a strong start to 2025, with revenue reaching $42.31 billion, a 16% increase year over year. Their net income also saw a significant rise, up 35% to $16.64 billion. The diluted EPS came in at 6.43 cents, which is a 37% increase from the previous year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Meta reported a revenue of $42.31 billion for Q1 2025, which is a 16% increase compared to last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth in revenue is primarily driven by an increase in ad impressions and a 10% rise in the average price per ad. Additionally, Meta's family of apps continues to perform well, contributing significantly to the revenue.
And how about profitability?
Meta's operating margin improved to 41% from 38% last year, and net income surged by 35% to $16.64 billion. This is a result of effective cost management and increased operational efficiencies.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Meta's EPS for this quarter was 6.43, significantly beating the forecasted EPS of 5.22 cents from 16 analysts. John, what does this tell us about Meta's performance?
This EPS beat by 121 cents indicates that Meta is not only meeting but exceeding market expectations. It reflects strong operational performance and effective cost management, which have contributed to higher profitability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Meta's costs and expenses increased by 9% year over year. How is the company managing these costs, and what does the future outlook look like?
Despite the increase in costs, Meta has managed to maintain a strong operating margin. The company is investing heavily in AI and data centers, which is reflected in their capital expenditures of $13.69 billion. Looking ahead, Meta expects Q2 2025 revenue to be between $42.5 and $45.5 billion, indicating continued growth.
Regulatory challenges and strategic initiatives. Meta is facing some regulatory challenges, particularly in the EU. How might this impact their business?
The European Commission's decision regarding Meta's subscription model could significantly impact their European operations. Meta plans to appeal, but any required changes could affect user experience and revenue. However, Meta's strategic focus on AI and immersive technologies, like their AI glasses, shows promise with nearly 1 billion monthly active users.
Key takeaways. In summary, Meta has delivered a strong performance in Q1 2025 with impressive revenue and EPS figures. Their strategic investments in AI and immersive technologies are paying off despite some regulatory challenges. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Meta's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Meta's performance in the comments below.